Hello traders. Today we are looking at PowerFlow EA for MT5. This one comes in at around $300 and the developer positions it as a high frequency system built for generating lots of orders, collecting rebates and grabbing quick profits while sticking to a trend direction based on historical stats. Let's break it down and see what it's really about. But before we dive into that, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Okay, so getting into it, the EA focuses on placing a large number of orders to generate rebates and secure quick profits. It only opens trades in the direction of the trend, which is determined based on historical statistics. You can run it in buy only or sell only mode. And for gold, they specifically recommend buy only. You can see it here below. Alright, so if a trade goes against the intended direction, the EA starts recovery trades at set intervals. It can also take profits in the opposite direction while doing that. Martingale is optional, as you can see. They said martingale can be enabled with separate multipliers for the trend following side and the counter trend side, and they suggest using a smaller multiplier on the counter side. Okay, so it has trading hours filters, so you can avoid highly volatile periods, and it can send telegram notifications when it starts or stops. Developer pushes M1 as the recommended time frame, especially for that rebate collection. That's the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we have it all here. We can see it directly on the website. Okay, so basically, it's trying to stay on the statistically favored side of the market, scout small moves for quick profits and volume, and use recovery to handle the times when price doesn't cooperate right away. No classic indicators mentioned like moving average or RSI. It's all about that statistical bias plus the recovery logic. Okay, so for the futures, we've already discussed that. We basically have the buy only and sell only modes, giving you a directional control, which is pretty handy if you have a preference on something like gold. The martingale with separate multipliers is marketed as flexible risk control. Trading hours filter is highlighted so you can stay out of choppy or news heavy times. Telegram allows for monitoring, and of course the whole high order volume rebate focus. They present it as a smart way to combine trend bias with recovery, not fighting a market too hard, but having tools to dig out of temporary drawdowns. The idea is steady activity with quick profit targets on M1, especially with a good rebates broker. Alright, so we have the developers test, tested it on the 1 minute time frame, XAUSD. So on paper it looks quite alright. We had a total net profit from an initial deposit of $50,000 for the period 2025, 1st of January to 2025. This should be 23rd of July. We have we had a total net profit of $763. The balance drawdown was 0.22% and the profit factor was 1.47. It was quite alright. Okay, but what we're going to do now is that we're going to compare this to my own personal backtest because I had the opportunity of running the EA, so I could be sure it's in line with what the developer claims on the website. As you can see, the equity curve here as well looks quite sharp, going at like a 45-degree angle towards the upside, signifying good movement, good profits. But let's see how that holds up when we test it. So I use the XAUSD pair on the 1 minute time frame as recommended by the developer, and I chose a custom period from 1st of April 2025 to 1st of April 2026. That's a 1 year period. So for an initial deposit of $10,000, the results I got weren't anything to write home about actually. As you can see, the account actually blew up. Um, for the initial deposit, we had the total net profit, which was actually a loss, and it was the complete or the total amount deposited. It's the same $10,000 as the loss. So you can see how that's worked out. Pretty bad actually. The profit factor was 0.61. The balance drawdown was 100%. The whole of the accounts went off. So it's quite clear. It's quite clear. And this happened over 7,420 trades. So it's quite clear how this holds up against the developer's claim. You can see it's going in opposite directions. Taking a look at the equity graph as well, you can see that it started off quite alright. Not really the sharp 45 angle move that we saw on the developers page, but um, there were little gains here and there. You could see the forward upward move as you head further to your right. But then all of a sudden, this is the point where the account got blown. So you can see from here, it kind of just went straight down, and that was it for the account. So there are different factors that could have caused this. So, but for this particular backtest, you can see how it turned out. You can see the results. So it doesn't quite add up. It doesn't quite hold up towards the developer claims. And so you can see the disparity between the backtest and what we have on the developers page. All right. So honestly, I would say this is a directional grid star recovery system with optimal martingale, optimized for rebate volume on tight spread brokers. But the thing is, it can work well in ranging on mildly trending conditions where price bounces around and hits those quick targets. But in a strong trend against your bias, especially on gold, it will keep adding and drawdown can get uncomfortable fast. New sensitivity is also real. Slippage and spread spikes on M1 will eat into those tiny profits. Curve fitting on specific periods is always a risk with the recovery EAs. Live trading almost always looks messier than the backtest because of real market execution. In practice, this means you need a solid, low spread, rebate friendly broker, conservative sizing, and probably some monitoring. Is not a true set and forget for most people. So the EA is for experienced traders who already understand recovery systems, have the right broker setup, and are comfortable with higher trade volume and occasional drawdown spikes. Beginners, anyone risk averse, prop traders with tight drawdown rules, or people on standard retail brokers with wider spreads should probably avoid this EA. Right? So these EAs can deliver in the right environment with discipline, but the seller naturally downplays the risks that come with recovery and martingale logic, as you could see from what happened in our backtest. So if you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to check next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with lots of indicators and patterns from the description below. Thanks for watching and trade safe out there.